Again. Where's Mama?
Why?
Are you done? That's your milk.
Your cup of milk.
That's your cup of milk.
It's your whole cup. No cups of water.
Time for some more rice.
It's good. I mean, you're a slow eater, so it'll just take forever. You should eat that whole thing. But you're only having rice for dinner. There's no chicken or turkey. There's a little bit of turkey in it. That's what I did with the meat. Just cut it up and then.
What do you want? More what?
All gone. You
Where's-
got it all.
Who's Daddy?
Dada, Mama, Dada. Zen?
Zen. You're Zen.
Who's Daddy?
Dada.
Point at Daddy.
Mama,
Mama. I'm Mama.
Dada, Dada,
Who's last?
Dada.
I'm Daddy.
Yeah.
And who are you?
Gotta introduce the family. Who is it?
Who?
Alright. Dot.
What?
Dada.
Zen.
Oh, Mama.
I'm Oh Mama.
Mama,
Yeah.
Mama, Dada.
Yep.
Um,
And who's next? Who's baby?
Dada. Mama, Dada. Oh, yeah.
Zen. Yeah.
Oh yeah.